How to create a group chat in Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a group chat in Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Discord. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. You can use the web version or you can use the application as well. It's completely up to you. After you do that, you can now start a group message. Let me just do that. So right here, you can start a message. You can see your direct messages here. You can tap on this plus button to create a DM. And here you can select the person that you want to send a message to. Now from here, you can add multiple people. So since I only have one friend, I can only add a single friend, but you can add up to 8 more friends. As you can see right here, you can add up to 8 people in a single group and then tap on create DM. After you do that, you'll have created a group and now you can simply, start texting. And that's basically how you create a group chat in your Discord. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.